got a tool with the springs. A little bit on the bottom. On the very, very bottom in the crack. There you go.
Then?
Lift the top off. Easy. Flip it upside down and put it on the other one. Up on the top up there.
This one?
Up on the top.
Oh my god, they're gonna bite me.
Yes, they are.
This one first?
Yeah. Don't drop it. Easy.
Did you see it?
Put it in the same way you took it out. Just like that.
Did you see in the camera?
Yeah.
You want more?
Wow.
Oh my god!
Just make sure you don't drop it.
Did you see the camera?
Don't twist it. Yeah, you can see him perfect.
Oh my god.
You drop those, you're gonna really be in trouble.
Do I have to squeeze it?
Yes, yes, all the way. You don't need that. You don't need that. They're not stuck in there. It's called the brood box. Push them together tight after you get them in there.
Like that? It's really, really tight.
Really tight. There you go.
Like that?
Yeah. You can set that smoke on the ground so it's not in your face. It's not all the way over. It's not gonna be easy to get that next one in if you don't, because it's your last one. Okay.
Oh my god! Ah. And then, put this back. This one thing. Put it all of it.
Yeah, no, no, not yet. Get the yellow, the queen excluder goes next, the yellow one, the one you cleaned.
Put it there. Like that.
Yeah, try not to kill him.
And then put this thing in.
To the front. Gently.
It's not even. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then put this thing up.
No, just leave that. The next one. The one you took, no.
This one.
Yeah.
And then put this one.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to leave it up there for now. The only thing.
Then put on the top.
Half.
All of it.
Half. There's two things there. Half on this side, half on that side. The other side. about that. Put that white one down. You'll need that for the next one.
Is it working?
Yeah, I think so. Come and look at it. Now, set that up on top.
Is it here?
Yeah. Scoot the other one over close. Move your tool.
Like that?
Move your tool. Yeah.
Put this thing in here?
Nope. Now we're gonna put
Here or there?
the other one. Let me see if it's working.
You see me here?
I don't think you can see as good because that other. Yep. Take that box apart. Bring that big one over here. We're not going to use that one. That's good.
And you move on the top?
Yep. Upside down. Now it's got to go all the way over. You got to put them in just the way you take them out.
Look, they're biting me. They're mad.
Give them a little bit of smoke.
Oh my god, there's a lot on my thing. Then? Like that? And then put this thing in the top?
No. It's even.
What's inside? Do I have to put...
You don't push them all close together. It's on the back of the truck.
So they have one in the thing. Put it all.
Half and half. Don't get in the crack. Are the things floating?
Yeah. They need to be floating.
Mm-hmm.
Put this thing.
Mm-hmm. Other way.
Like that. Then,
That's it.
I'm not doing anything now.
No, you're done. Close. Come up close with it. Just carry it over here.
See it?
Mm.
So what's gonna happen to them?
They're gonna find their way in. You can leave the smoker out here, put that big box on the back of my truck.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give.